No, no, no. Nee, Padmaja, my problem is not that they're spending. My problem is that when they're spending, they're not working and justifying their job. Right now, what my friend Nikhil has been talking about the budget, I need to look after that scheme. I need to look into that. But the point here is, did the central government stop working on the development? Eastern Peripheral Expressway has been made in Delhi. Why? Just to control the pollution of Delhi. RRTS has been doing. Why? Because there will be a major vehicle which will be off the road so that it can decrease the pollution. The government has been giving the entire budget, central government has been giving a lot of budget to the Delhi government to control the pollution in the Yamuna. What is the state government has been doing? The government has been giving a lot of budget to control the pollution, otherwise to have that big smog towers. What is the Delhi government doing for that? So it is not that who's spending how much amount and what is it spending for. It is more than is the schemes, what is need to be done, the things which are need to be implemented, the work which is need to be done for the development of the state and the people and the welfare of the country and different states. Is it being compromised? Okay. In the case for Aam Aadmi government, it is being done. Like you also rightly said, Padmaja, in the start of the story, that the budget which has been spending is equivalent to the budget which they need to give to the central government for the RRTS construction. So why can't they for 1 year decrease the budget of advertisement and given for the development of people for the RRTS? It's not somebody personal, it's not that only BJP people would be riding those rails.
And the very simple observation, in fact, Mr. Sethi, was made by the Supreme Court, where they said that sure, everyone has the right to seek publicity, to advertise their achievements, but making a project is also an advertisement that you are doing something. You are saying हम ये भी कर रहे हैं, ये भी कर रहे हैं, ये भी कर रहे हैं, sure, but this is also your job. Creating infrastructure is also your job. This is the best advertisement.